Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create your own crosshair on Crosshair X. Alright, so first up, open up the application. Now you need to find a crosshair right here under crosshairs, of course, as a reference. Okay, let's say we're going to choose this one. It looks like a default crosshair, or maybe this one. So just click on it and make sure that it is selected. Now go ahead and go to Designer. Okay. And here we have it. Now, once that's done, as you can see, we have here these tabs. But first up, go ahead and give it a name. My Crosshair. We have these tabs right here: lines, center dot, outline, layers, and animation. So we're going to go through it one by one. So lines right here. If you don't want the top section to be visible, you can just go ahead and select this option like so. As you can see, it's gone. Okay. If you want it, just click on it again. And the shapes, we have the default rectangle. If you want it to be a triangle, just select the triangle option. Okay. The center dot, by the way, you can click on it. You can change it to a circle, or circle without background, or circle with background, or clear it if you want to. Now going back to lines right here, we have the opacity. All right. We have the length. And if you want to see your actual crosshair, okay, you need to make it visible. Just make sure that it is visible. This is the actual crosshair that you're going to use. Okay. Change the length if you want to. Change the thickness. All right. The gap, rotation, and the blur. Okay. Now going to center dot. Right here we have the opacity option as well. The diameter, the blur. Okay. Outlines right here we have black. You can change the color, by the way, of each tabs right here. Let's say I'm going to go ahead and change the outline to blue. Just use the color wheel, tap away, and then it will be applied. Okay, we have the opacity, thickness, and blur as well. Layers here, if you want to add in some more layers, just click on plus new layer. Let's say I'm going to go ahead and upload an image for this specific layer. Click on image right here, drop, click on it. Now let's say I'm just going to upload this random tablet PNG, like so. As you can see here, we now have the PNG, or the picture, as the second layer. And here we have it, the actual preview. Okay. Now once that's done, go ahead over to your first layer, or the crosshair layer. Now you can go ahead and add in some animations. Okay. Set this up however you want, but just do keep in mind that you cannot add animations for your photos. Okay. Just for the main crosshair. All right. Now once that's done, don't forget to hit on save right here. And by the way, if you want me to create a custom animation for your Crosshair X, just do let me know in the comments below. So just click on save right here, give it a name, and just click on save. All right. Now to find it, just go ahead over to crosshairs. Here we have the saved crosshair section, and here you have it. If you want to share it, just click on 3 horizontal lines, share, export it, or share it to Steam Workshop, or share the code. Okay. Some crosshairs with PNGs cannot be sent. Okay. So just keep that in mind. Only crosshairs without PNG can be sent. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.